Stripe is a popular and robust payment processor platform, providing a suite of payment tools for any business or industry. Gravity Forms and Stripe are a natural choice for businesses across the globe, providing user-friendly setups and service, as well as the security and reliability that is essential for any business processing transactions online. With the Gravity Forms Stripe add-on, you can accept a wide assortment of payment methods on your site, including all major debit and credit cards, Apple and Google Pay, ACH Debit, and many more. The Gravity Forms Stripe add-on also supports Link, a checkout solution from Stripe that enables your customers to save their payment information so they can use it again on any site that uses Link. Integrating Stripe with Gravity Forms is quick and easy. Head to your site's WordPress dashboard to install and activate the Stripe add-on. Next, navigate to the Gravity Forms settings page and select Stripe. The Connect with Stripe button allows you to easily sync your Stripe account with Gravity Forms. From here, sign into your Stripe account and follow the instructions on screen to connect it with Gravity Forms. If you don't have a Stripe account, you can use the link in the description of this video to create one for free. The Gravity Forms Stripe add-on requires webhooks to be enabled for you to process payments. For help enabling webhooks, select View Instructions. Once you've enabled webhooks, click on the checkbox located below the Webhooks Enabled prompt. You'll next need to enter your API key in the Live Signing Secret field. Your API key will be located within the webhooks section of the Stripe dashboard. Locate the webhook you created for your site and select Reveal to access your key. Then, just copy and paste the key into the Live Signing Secret field. Next, select the payment collection method you would like to use. The Stripe credit card field will add a credit card field to your form, whereas the Stripe payment form will take the user to a separate page hosted by Stripe where they can enter their payment information. For this video, I'm going to use the Stripe credit card field, but you can read more about the Stripe payment collection methods by clicking on the link to our documentation located in the description. Once you've selected your payment collection method, be sure to save your settings. Next, create a payment form or edit an existing one and add the Stripe credit card field to it. Within the Stripe field settings, you can select to enable additional payment methods. These payment options can be configured within your Stripe dashboard. You can also specify the email address field to be used with Stripe Link. Once a user's email address has been properly verified and authenticated, Stripe will fill in the customer's payment and shipping details into the Stripe payment element. Now, go to your form settings and create a feed to configure the data that is sent from this form to Stripe. Give the feed a descriptive name, then specify the transaction type and payment amount. Next, map your form fields to the appropriate Stripe billing fields. You can also configure any metadata you would like to send to Stripe and specify your receipt preference. And if you have multiple Stripe accounts, you can specify which account you would like this feed to be connected to. Once you save your changes, you're good to go and ready to start collecting payments on your site using Gravity Forms and Stripe. As always, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more guides and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.